In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete sent messages on desktop, app, or web. First, find the message you want to change. With your mouse, move the cursor over that message. On most desktop apps and web versions, a small set of icons will appear either to the right of the message or along its top edge. If nothing shows up right away, gently slide your mouse off the message and back on. Hovering is what reveals the tools you need. If you want to fix a typo, add missing details, or clarify something you said, choose the Edit option. Look for the pencil icon labeled Edit Message. Click it, and your original text becomes editable. Make your changes carefully and read them once more for tone and clarity. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes to apply the update. Your message will refresh in place so the conversation stays tidy. Depending on the platform, others may see a small edited indicator, which is normal and simply shows you refined your words. If you don't see the pencil icon, there may be a time limit on editing, or your permissions may be restricted by the workspace or channel settings. If you need to remove a message instead, hover over the message again and click the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions. From that menu, select Delete Message. Most platforms ask you to confirm this action so you don't remove something by accident. When the confirmation appears, click Delete again to finalize it. The message will disappear immediately, or you might see a brief placeholder noting that a message was deleted. Remember that deletions can be permanent and may not be recoverable, so double check you're removing the correct item before confirming. If the delete option isn't available, it could be due to organization policies or a time window that limits when deletions are allowed. A few quick tips as you work. Hovering is essential. It's what makes the edit and delete tools appear. If the icons flicker or vanish, move your cursor slightly and try again. After editing, confirm that the conversation still reads smoothly for anyone joining later. After deleting, consider whether the context still makes sense for your teammates. Clarity helps keep everyone on track. That's all there is to it. Hover over the message, choose the action you need, and then either save your edits or confirm the deletion. With these simple moves, you can keep your conversations accurate, tidy, and easy to follow on desktop, whether you're using the app or the web.